We're going to first continue to add our mixed numbers right now. We're going to start off with a super simple one, okay? Please remember to solve this using the stacked form. Why is this not working? There we go. Okay, please solve. Dylan, will you walk me through what you did?
I added 1 1/4 plus 2 2/4, and I got 3 3/4.
Nice. Can you tell me, first off, I'm going to rewrite this using stacked form. Does that sound good to you? Okay, so I'm going to write that over here. I'm just going to take my 2 2/4 and place this over here and erase it from over here. Do you see how I did that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is the first thing I should do, Dylan? Should I work? Oh, go ahead.
Since your denominators are the same, you probably won't have to add anything together except for the 2 and the 1.
Oh, nice. So you're telling me I should work with my fractions first. Nice, right? And Dylan made the point, my denominators are the same, so do I have to change anything? No, I can just add these super easily. So Dylan, what's 1/4 plus 2/4?
3/4.
3/4. Okay. And what is, can I move over to my ones place now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have my ones place over here. What's 1 plus 2?
3.
3. Okay. Is my final answer proper, or do I have any improper fractions that I need to change? Or am I good to go?
You're good to go.
I'm good to go, right? My fraction is not improper. It is a proper fraction. So I am fine with just using this fraction. So my final answer is 3 3/4. Nice job. Okay, let's try one that is. Okay, what is my final answer? Go ahead and solve for your final answer. All right, let's see. Kyler, what should my first step be? Should I work with my fractions first, or should I work with my ones value or my ones place first?
You should work with your fractions first.
Perfect. So you think I should add these up first?
Yes.
Okay. What is 3/6 plus 4/6?
7/6.
Nice. 7/6. Okay. Interesting, right? Thumbs
Yeah.
up for noticing something. Okay, but let's work over to our ones place next, okay? And then we'll fix anything that needs to be fixed. So Kyler, if I add up my ones place, what is 2 ones plus 5 ones?
7 ones.
7 ones. Nice. So our answer is 7 7/6. Raise your hand if you're noticing something that I need to change about my final answer. What do I need to change about my final answer? It's correct, right? But the way I have it written is not proper, right? It's not how we write fractions out. So Gabe, what are you noticing about my final answer?
You wrote 7 7/6,
Mm-hmm.
and if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, then it's called an improper fraction, and you have to change it to a proper fraction.
Nice.
So
Thank you, Gabe. So go ahead. We're going to pause right there because you just gave us a lot of really good information. We have an improper fraction in our answer, right? So we need to change this so that we only have whole numbers and proper fractions. So I'm not fully done yet. I have to make a few changes. And this is what we're going to review and really practice in this lesson this time, okay? So I'm gonna actually exit out of this and write my answer again. I had 7 7/6. Thumbs up if you can see the 7 7/6. Okay, so I'm actually just going to take a look at my 7/6 right now because that's the part that is improper. Okay, I have to make this into a mixed number. Okay, so just like we were doing last time, there's a few ways I can go about this. I can either draw this out and see, okay, well, what does 7/6 really look like? Here's my diagrams, and they're broken up into 6 pieces, right? Because that's what my denominator is telling me. I have 6 pieces in my whole, and it wants me to color in. Show me with your fingers, how many pieces does it want me to color in? Nice job, 7 pieces. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Thumbs up if I drew out 7/6. Okay, how many holes do I have completely shaded in? Show me with your fingers. How many holes do I have completely shaded in? Nice job, Emma. Nice job, Naria. Nice job, Lev, Josie, Casey. Nice job, Leah. Right? I have 1 hole shaded in. This one right here, right? The entire thing is shaded in. Raise your hand. How much do I have left over? Besides just my 1 hole, how much do I have left over? Callie, how much do I have left over?
You have 1/6 left over.
Thank you, Callie. I have 1/6 left over. Do I have any improper fractions in this? No, right? This is a good to go mixed number. So now I need to add this back to my 7 over here. Because remember, what I did with this is I was breaking apart this, but I need to go back in and re-add this to 7, but this should be very, very easy for me. So I have 7 plus 1 and 1/6. Is this way easier for me now? Okay, Naria, what should I look at first? My fractions or my ones place?
Fractions.
My fractions. So, Naria, what is 1/6 plus nothing?
1/6.
Good job. And Cassidy, what is 7 ones plus 1 1? Okay, we can't hear you. Come a little closer, see if that works.
8.
8. Nice job, Cassidy. Okay, so my final answer is 8 and 1/6. Does this have an improper fraction or is it proper? Thumbs up if it is proper, thumbs down if I still need to change something. Okay, nice job. This is now a proper mixed number, right? There's no improper fractions in it. I did the changes that I need to do. Okay, so go ahead. I'm going to have you guys try this one on your own. Remember, if you see an improper fraction, you need to change that so it is proper. So let's try. Yeah. And 2/4 plus 1 and 3/4. Go ahead and solve this. Oh, Leah, if I'm starting with my fractions, or was it was 2/4, right? 2/4.
Yeah,
Correct.
3 and 2/4.
Okay, so what is 2/4 plus 3/4?
2/4 plus 3/4 is 5/4.
5/4. Nice job. And thank you, Leah. Josh, what is my next step? Can I work over to my ones place now?
Yes.
Okay, so what is, if I have, sorry, I don't know why. So I have 4 and 5/4 as my answer. What do I need to change? What do I need to change? Adine, what do I need to change?
You need to change the 5/4 because 5/4 is an improper fraction.
Amazing. So now I'm going to go back and take a look at this. I have 4 and 5/4. Okay. Adine told me that this is improper, so I need to change this. Okay. Please solve what would 5/4 be as a mixed number? What is 5/4 as a mixed number? If I were to draw it out, what does 5/4 look like on a diagram? How many holes would be completely shaded in and what is left over? Or how many times does 4 go into 5 and what is left over? Jalal, what is, let me unmute you. Okay, Jalal, what is 5/4 as a mixed number?
1 and 1/4.
1 and 1/4. Nice job, right? If I were to draw this out, I'm going to quickly do it. I'm broken up into fourths. 5 of them are shaded. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many holes are completely shaded, class? Show me with your fingers. 1 hole is completely shaded, right? This one right here. And what is left over? Frankie, what's left over? Yeah, so we're looking up here right now, right? We notice 1 hole is shaded, but what's left over?
And 1.
1 what?
1/4.
Nice job, 1/4. So this in a mixed number is 1 and 1/4. Am I done? Is my answer 1 and 1/4, or what is my answer? Linnea, am I done?
No.
What do I need to do?
Well, you need to add the other part of the fraction that without the thing you just took off.
Thank you. So you're saying I need to go back and re-add this to my 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because this was part of my whole answer, but I just needed to change this part.
So let me interrupt you guys here. There's a particular
I
reason
need
why
to go add this back to my original 4. So I have 4 plus 1 and 1/4. What is my first step I need to do with this now? Tanush, first step I should take, should I work with my fractions first or should I work with my ones place first?
You should work with your fractions first.
Thank you, Tanush. What is 1/4 plus nothing?
1/4.
Great job. And let's see, Michael, what should I work with next? I already worked with my fractions, so what should I work with next?
Your ones.
My ones place. So what is 4 ones plus 1 1?
5.
Thank
One.
you. And Michael, do I have any improper fractions in my answer or am I good to go?
You're good to go.
Thank goodness.